Hi friends, well this video is going to be a very unique one. Why so? Because it's very simple. I will be touching upon the subject of Hinduism and animals, and especially about this Karni Mata temple. I will let you know a bit about this temple and what makes this temple unique, and even the legend which is associated with this Karni Mata temple at Bikaner. So, if you're keen to know a bit of history and uniqueness, please continue watching me. You'll be surprised. It's unbelievable. So, anyway, today is our ninth day now in Rajasthan, where we came for Holi, and we spent 3 full days at Sardar Share, and then we came to Bidasar, and between the two small towns or villages, we moved around a couple of places, which you must see my other videos also, especially the Tal Chopper of the Black Buck sanctuary. Anyway, so today our plan was to head back to Mumbai from Nokha, where we had reserved our train tickets. While we were staying at Bidasar. So we took an early morning car at 5 o'clock to from Bidasar to Bikaner, that is to see the Karni Mata temple, and after having his darshan, we would head off to Nokha and take our train, which is departing at 10:30 in the morning. Hinduism in India has a variety of diversity. Spirituality and symbolism happen to be its two fundamental elements. Also, a deeply involved part of these two aspects of Hinduism are animals. The assertive Hindu belief of sacredness of animals is actually one of the most remarkable aspects of the Indian culture. These creatures have been reckoned as channels of love and unity. They are known for the symbols of the culture and inspiration of growth by many ancient Indian literary texts. The life of an animal is held equal to that of a human. The only difference being that, unlike the humans, their senses have not fully manifested. Right from the classification of beings to the many animal incarnations of gods, the crucial role of animals in nature is furthermore significant. The more one comes across the powerful references to animals in India, the more interested one gets. And it is only by visiting such numerous religious destinations within the nation and peeking into their backgrounds that you begin to combine with the realities of this centuries old culture. Among the prominent seats of religion in India is a legendary Karni Mata temple in Bikaner, Rajasthan. Let me tell you a bit about this temple. Popularly known as the Karni Mata Mandir, this temple is a must visit tourist attraction in Bikaner. The temple is dedicated to Karni Mata, who the locals believe is an incarnation of goddess Durga, the protective mother goddess in Hindu religion. Now, Karni Mata was a Hindu warrior sage from the Charan castes who lived in the 14th century. Although there are many temples dedicated to her, this temple in the town of Deshnok, at a distance of 30 kilometers from Bikaner, is the mostly widely recognized temple for Karni Mata. Now, what makes this temple unique? The Karni Mata Mandir in Bikaner is popular not for its location or architecture, but for being home to over 25,000 rats that inhabit and freely roam around the temple complex. These creatures can be seen emerging out of crevices in the walls and the floors, often passing over the feet of the visitors and devotees. Yes, it's true. It has happened to me, and it's an amazing sight and feeling. Consuming food items that have been nibbled on by these rats is, in fact, regarded as a holy practice here. People from different corners of India and abroad come to witness this astounding spectacle and also bring milk, sweets, and other offerings for these sacred beings. Out of all the rats, white rats are held specifically sacred as they are believed to be the incarnation of Karni Mata and her sons. Visitors put in enormous efforts to draw them out, often through offering sweets. However, hurting or killing a rat, even by mistake, is a serious sin in this temple. People perpetrating this crime will have to replace the dead rat with one made of gold as penance. So please watch out. It can happen, but do not get worked upon this issue. Now, what is the legend which is associated with Karni Mata of this Bikaner? Now, besides the unique customs, the Karni Mata temple also has interesting legends associated to it. The most prevalent among these legends is the story of Lakshman, who is a stepson of Karni Mata. One day, while attempting to drink water from the Kapil Sarovar in Kolayat Tehsil, Lakshman drowns in it. Grieved by his loss, Karni Mata prays ardently to Yama, and Yamaha is nobody else but the Hindu god of death, who first denies her request to bring her son back to life. However, moved by her sorrow and will, he gives in to her pleadings and reincarnates not just Lakshman but all of Karni Mata's male children as rats. Well, it was a great experience for me, and I hope it was for you too, because it is such a unique temple where these rats which are moving all across the temple freely without any fear is definitely unique. And with this, I will wrap up my video because it's time for us to now head to Noka railway station and depart by train to reach Mumbai. So keep watching my videos. Perhaps this will help you out in planning your trip more better. And thank you once again. Have a nice day. Bye.